Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. We're gonna start Valentine's Day. We're gonna get a quick Valentine's Day mani in here, I think. And I just bought a couple of things from Maniology. I might have bought 2 of each, and you know what that means. Go check out the description box for sure. But I absolutely wanted to try this. Absolutely. Did I say that correctly? I don't know. I can't talk anymore. So I love this plate. I did not have this plate. I kind of thought maybe I did, but no. M278. And it has just some really cool, it seems like I have like maybe this and this on different plates. I don't know. Stamps on my nails to my toes. Every design sweet as a rose. Flushing them wherever I go. Waiting till the next fresh coat. Julie M. from Henderson, Nevada. Don't bite my style. I really love these. I just think these are cute. I never kept these before. Now I keep them. That there's like cute poems from subscribers and Maniology fans. So I'm really excited about that. All right, so let's check this out. This is Brain Freeze 403. It is a pink, like, duo-chrome. Gold, love it. It's beautiful. All right, we've got that protective film off of here. Those are really pretty. Oh, that would have been nice for New Year's Eve, right? We got stars and raindrops. Just dots. Ugh, stupid flash. That is really pretty. That reminds me of like 4-leaf clovers, yeah? And some hearts. We're going to do that today, I think. Leaves. I really like this plate. This is super cute. And then this polish on my nails right now is Girly Bits. I don't think you can get this. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this was from a polish pickup, and it was an exclusive from 2018. It is a thermal. It does still change, not as extreme as it used to. It used to get really pink, and then the tips got black, but I'm pretty sure my nails, this is probably as dark as it gets. It does get a little lighter. And yeah, you can check Instagram for the different pictures of that, but you can't get it anymore anyway. And don't you just love it when I do that to you? All right, let's swatch this color really quick on the lid. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's going to be that opaque to stamp with, but maybe I'm going to be surprised. This is a pretty dark red. But we're going to go for it. Ooh, it is very pretty. Gold pink duo-chrome. I just feel like this is probably going to be really good over black, but otherwise I think it'll be a really nice color on your nails to stamp over. I just really wanted to do this video for just a couple of maybe Valentine's Day ideas. Let's stick that over here. Ooh. Oh, I like that on the red. Mostly just gonna show gold on that red. That's really pretty. All right, so I do have a discount code for 10% off at Maniology. It's just Skylene325. There is a link down below for $5 off your very first purchase. You're more than welcome to use that one or use my 10 off code. It's, like I said, Skylene325. Or if they're having any specials, just make sure you're getting the best discount out there, okay? Use my code, use somebody else's code, but for sure, don't pay full price. There's always a way to get something off. All right, so as usual, here is where I am a doodle head. So I picked up a pale pink that I had from Maniology. This is Sweet Peach. And thought, oh, that will be cute. Like with the gold, with the duochrome over it, with brain freeze over it. And it just looks exactly the same over a light pink. Of course, you can barely see the outline. I should have done a black or some other color on the outline. But yeah, I'm guessing everyone's done that. It just was completely thinking, oh, this is going to be so cute with this gold outline. It was not. So I'm just going to do a straight up. This polish is so pretty underneath. I don't really need to go to extremes. I'm trying to keep this a little basic, fun, easy manicures. And I think this is cute. Although it would look cute with the pink in there. Yeah, that didn't work. It does, as you can see, it looks pink on the stamper. And then when I stamp it, it's gold. I really do like this polish. I mean, I was going to kind of grade it like a B, but I'm going to say it's an A because it's really pretty. It doesn't stamp over light colors really that great, but it's just beautiful. It's a duochrome. I mean, it's what it is. It is what it is. So let's just see what this looks like just straight up on nail. And it is beautiful. I really do like this pink. I'm not always a fan of pinks. But this one has such a pretty gold shimmer and a shift to it. It's very sweet. And there it is stamped over white. I did a terrible job stamping that, but you know, whatever. You can see it. It's not real pronounced over white. But look at it over a dark color. I love it over this red. And it just looks gorgeous. So I do absolutely recommend this polish and this plate. It's super cute if you've got a use for it. I mean, brain freeze. I absolutely always waste money on plates that I don't really need, but this one I felt like I would get a lot of use out of because of the gradient effect. I really like that. It is M278. And the other plate, oh, thanks, Penny. XL355. I'll put the links down below. Please stay tuned for some fun video and subscribe. Bye. Oh, we're gonna have to go up the steps. I want to do it again. I'm gonna try again. All right. Go up the steps. There you go. You're not quite big enough for that yet. Maybe if it wasn't wet. No! Gross! You nasty boy. You want COVID? You want the Rona? No. No, I didn't think so. Yes, you don't live here. Good morning. Oh, but I love you. I know. I did good morning because you loved. Yeah. You giving smiles? Yes, you're giving smiles. Yeah, so make happy girl. Or happy girl. Yeah. Yeah. They're best friends. Yeah, we best friends. Delicious.